A story of amazing resilience has come out of Thailand as a baby who was stabbed 14 times and buried alive in a shallow grave somehow managed to not only survive but stage a full recovery. Kachit Kronjayat, 53, was taking her 6 cows out to eat in a grass field in a rural area of Thailand when she noticed what appeared to be a baby's foot protruding from a hole in the ground, the UK Mirror reports. Kronjayat approached closer and dug the infant out of the ground, only to find that the little boy had been stabbed 14 times before being dumped face down in the dirt hole. At first, I thought someone had buried their pet alive, Kronjayat told Bangkok.coconuts.co, according to the UK Mirror, but then I saw a foot. I tried to control myself and called for help. The baby was buried with its face facing down. Kronjayat said she first heard voices, which alerted her to the scene. Her husband, Pornchai, who came to help her with the baby, also reportedly noticed footprints nearby and heard a motorcycle speed away from the scene. The baby boy was reportedly found in the Wanja district of the Kon Kaen province in Thailand in February. He was immediately taken to Wanja Hospital. The baby was treated and has reportedly almost made a full recovery. Recent pictures show the child adorned in Buddhist robes, without any visible marks or scars. According to the journal.ie, Thai police are searching for the baby's parents. We've deployed police to find the culprit, case officer Naparn Rithnewal told AFP. Rithnewal added that the child is out of danger as doctors watch over him. Abortions are reportedly illegal in Thailand, however they are still commonly performed. The country has the highest teen pregnancy rate in Southeast Asia, due in part to a conservative society which stigmatizes premarital sex, according to the UK Mirror. Although Thailand remains one of the global hubs for sex tourism, the country's sexual education targeting youths is relegated to abstinence-only promotions, the journal.ie noted. Sources, UK Mirror, the journal.ie/photo credits, UK Mirror, Anupam Kotmani/Facebook.